It's Magic Kingdom Day.
This is the first day we don't have to take the bus. We're gonna take the Seven Seas Marina to the Magic Kingdom.
It's the only day. It's the only day.
It's the only day we don't have to take the bus. Sylvia, are you eating a croissant? Dads always have to say that. Here comes our boat.
This will be exciting. I've done the little boat thing before.
Morning. Shine on a star. Why did you do that right when I was singing? Then your heart desires will be screened before entering Disney World. We made it in to the Magic Kingdom. The train station looks like it's made out of paper though.
That's not cool.
Not cool, that's all right. Under construction.
I agree, Dad.
You agree?
Oh, we're back.
Dun, 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 dun. Here comes the castle.
Yeah, the Disney World. You heard that, what you just said.
What's that?
Disney World one looks better than the Disneyland one.
Oh,
You just heard that.
sorry, I was just paying attention to that like stroller accident over there. Oh my god. That's not a good sign. Mom bought a new toy. She finally got her Loungefly backpack. Now that I think about it, it doesn't match her outfit. I'm just kidding. It looks great.
Okay, let's go. It's Dad's music.
I know. I listen to this at work all the time. First ride of the day. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. We should probably go on this before it rains. I'm pretty sure today is the first day too. You don't have to wear facial coverings while in a queue line because nobody's got some on. You don't have to wear them on the ride? That's crazy. We are living in history right now, right?
We were always living in history because COVID-19 is going on.
Yes. But today's a big day in the history of Disney World.
If all you folks are wearing hats and glasses, this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Oh, there's the castle.
That was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, I liked it.
I always like big fun.
Oh, I hate that part. Now we get to go to Dad's favorite, Pirates.
Going to Splash Mountain.
We are going to Splash Mountain. I think I'm still going to wear my mask on some of those rides. On Pirates, they had them pretty much all completely filled. They didn't separate the rows, right?
Yeah.
So I think I'm still probably going to wear my mask on some rides. I think Mr. Bluebird's in that house. He's got like a little
In that house.
American flag mailbox.
You may get wet.
I got the front row. I'm gonna get wet. The bear frog.
Mama's favorite.
And they're like the little rabbit that skips here. Like, where'd he go? He's right there. He's not working. There's the bear butt. Anytime you see the bear butt, that means you might get wet. Oh God. Please don't get wet. No! Oh no! Oh, thank God. Completely dry.
Are you excited? No.
Can you see yourself? No, put your head up! Oh God! Oh God. have that option. Oh my god.
Are you so
Totally
I would
soaked.
imagine. I saw that splash. The front is
Oh, there's a parade going on up there. We're missing the parade. I think I got the sunscreen out of my eye. That's always a good thing. Welcome home.
Yeah, I just had it.
So many bubbles. Did you get any?
Nah.
I know all the hand sanitizer locations are like pretty much all empty. So many bubbles. I like the Ferris wheel. That's so cool. It's the coolest clock. The doors are closing at 11 o'clock. All right, we're going under the sea.
The queue here is way better than
I found shells. Mama, it's the eagle's footprints.
Oh yeah.
There's like seashells in the walkway. Under the sea, we ride in clams. Under the sea. Under the sea, there's air conditioning.
Unfortunate souls
Joby was like your mom and dad's first kiss. The crabs are rejoicing upon the marriage of Ariel and Prince Eric. I forgot his name. And Scuttle tells a hell of a story. There's Timothy Q. Mouse.
Bunny, bunny, bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny.
Why are you saying bunny?
You sure?
This is my bunny shirt. Don't make fun. Joey's flying solo. Han Solo. We're going up high? We're going up? We are really up high.
Oh, she's a spy.
Okay. Turn it up. I show you the world.
That's
Take you wonder by wonder.
That's the Aladdin carpet ride.
Tell me, princess, I something on a magic elephant ride.
Oh no!
Don't you dare close your eyes. Now there's so to be found. You guys look so cute. That was Barnstormer.
That was actually faster than 20 minutes. I think
Nice.
the whole thing took 15 minutes.
We could go walk through the castle because Miss Mom's never done it.
Yay!
Let's do it. So magical. Are you looking at the castle? Because this is pretty much it. Just finished up lunch. Now we're gonna go on the Carousel Progress. It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it.
Just got out of Carousel of Progress. Another thunderstorm. That last
thunderstorm.
lightning was pretty loud, wasn't it?
Big thunderstorm should have gotten out faster.
That was some big thunder, and I ain't talking about no railroad. That was nuts. Oh, they're gonna brave it. What are you doing?
That is big.
It's a lot of rain. Welcome to Florida.
There's literally zero.
No, now there's no rain. The rain has stopped.
We'll do at night later.
I know. Okay, we're gonna go back to the hotel.